I want you say my name second one.
Can say رب اشرح لي صدري.
Ask me the first.
The name of Allah we gonna May Allah protect. Hello, my little scientists. Welcome to our online science class. I am teacher Riham, your science teacher. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Today, inshallah, we will revise lesson a matter change, okay? But first, let's clear all of your drawing. Okay, matter changes. How the matter changes, let's revise it, okay? Be ready and listen to me. So we know that the matter can change by two ways, physical and chemical. The matter can change by physical and chemical, or into physical and chemical. How can the matter change? Look at this paper. If the paper here cut, tear, fold, bend, it's still a paper. It's not a change. But look, if you frying the egg, now we have a different kind of the egg. If you burn the paper, now we have a different kind of the paper, and we cannot change it back. Okay. So what are the difference? The matter can change and still the same matter, but can change and changes into new thing or different kind of matter. In the physical change, it's the change or it's a change in the shape or size of matter. So physical change, it's a change in the physical or, it's change in the shape. Okay, wait, I send the link. So it's a change in it's called physical. It's a change in the shape or size of matter. It's a change in the shape or size of matter, like this paper. Now you fold or bend, or if you cut the paper, now it's a change, it's a change in size or shape. It's a physical, okay? Like folding the paper, bending the paper, cutting, it's still a paper, and we cannot change it back to the normal paper. We can change it back to the normal paper. So solids can bend, fold, tear, and we cannot change it. We can change it back in the physical change, okay, in the physical change. And also in the physical change, the mass stay the same. The mass of the matter doesn't change. It's still the same because the bluebirds doesn't change, just a change in size or shape, okay? Also like this mud, when it is dry or wet, it's a physical change because we can turn it back. We can turn the wet dry back into the the wet mud into the dry mud, and change the dry mud into wet mud and change it back the same. Okay, so in the same kind, it's a mud, so it's a physical change. So physical change, or in the physical change, the matter become the same kind of matter. It's become, or it's still the same kind of matter. It's still the same kind of matter. It's easy to change it back. It's easy to change it back. Like here, like if you, sorry, like if you have a water, and then now the water will turns into ice, and the ice can turns back again into water. So it's a physical change. It's a physical change. So in the physical change, it's become the same kind of matter. It's easy to change it back, but change in size and shape. Just a change in size and shape, okay? But what about chemical change? Chemical happens when the properties of matter change. Now we have a different kind of matter. Chemical, in the chemical change, we have a different kind of matter because the properties of the matter change. We have different kind of matter, like burns or rust. If you burn the matter, heat the matter, you have a different kind of matter. Or if you rust the matter, or if the matter rusts, so we have a different kind of matter. We cannot change it back by rust or burn. If you're frying an egg, it's now become a new kind of matter, and we cannot change it back to the normal one, okay? It's become a new kind of matter. It's not easy to change it back if you burn the matter. It's not easy to change it back. And also, it's become a new kind of matter with different properties, okay? So look here, it's examples for the chemical change before. Look at this stick, it's before, now after by heat, we cannot change it back. It's a new kind of matter. By water and air, the metal change in a chemical change and we cannot change it back, but the plastic doesn't change, okay? Like the egg also, heat causes the egg to go through a chemical change and you can see and smell and eat this egg, okay? It's different and we cannot change it back to the normal egg. It's a chemical change. So in the chemical change, it's the matter become a new kind of matter and it's become a new kind with different properties and we cannot change it back. We cannot turn it back, okay? Now let's part